This is a demo to show you how to install Git on your Windows computers. Git is a popular version control tool that helps you keep track of changes in your code. In OP244, Git makes it easy to work on your projects, save different versions, and collaborate with your professors if needed. You also use Git to clone starter files provided by your professors and to back up your work. Having Git installed lets you smoothly transfer your code between your PC and Seneca's Matrix Linux cluster, keeping everything organized and in sync. To install, first you have to download Git. Again, you open any browser that you like, you type Git to search for it, and you go to Git and you download it. So download for Windows, and you use the version that matches yours. We're going to install Git for Windows 64-bit, and we're waiting for the download to get completed. Then we go to downloads and we start Git installation. Again, Git installation, like the previous installation that we showed, everything goes by default. You don't need to change anything specific. You click yes and keep going. Keep clicking on next until you get to the end and it installs the Git. After the installation is complete, we are going to run it and test it. There we go. I don't want to see any review, and I'm going to click on finish. So what you need to do, just open the command prompt. So if I click on start and type CMD, that opens the command prompt for you. So start and start in CMD and hit enter. It opens command prompt, and over there just type Git, and you will see that the help will show. That means the Git is installed and everything is good to go. Thank you for watching.